Hey everyone, it's Shar from Shar's Fashion Nation. And I got a package in today. This is going up on Friday the 13th. Anyway, I have the Jeffree Star Gothic Beach palette on my eyes. You can't really tell. You can do a day look with this. And then for the powder under my eyes, it's Gerard Cosmetics. And here for contour powder is Cursed. I'm a maven with them. I will leave a code in the description. But we are here for some Jeffree Star. I'm not going to show the top of this. It has my address. You don't need my address. Now, I will say that I own the Gothic Beach palette. 2 mirrors. One of them is the Pink Pig mirror. Between Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. Ooh, now I cut this open already, and I was excited for this because I bought it for $10 on a live stream from TikTok, because if you go over there, this is beautiful packaging, by the way, always is. The man is on point. So sometimes what I like to do is I will keep a box, because you can reuse that box if you have anything that you need to ship to anybody else. So also, when I got the Gothic Beach palette, it was supposed to come with an exclusive lippy, and I don't always trust the mail carrier. But anyway, so we have this. Like I said, it's well packaged. I love that. Jeffree Star and my other favorite cosmetics companies always do really good packaging, and that is something I, as a customer, as a consumer, always appreciate. So let's put the box over here, y'all. I'm not even done with like packages. Okay, so on my birthday, I couldn't really afford anything except for that. That was it. I bought this literally on my birthday. And I was upset because I couldn't get the gold collection. But I was able to afford this. This is the Magic Candy. And I already opened it, but Money Shot. I love a good burgundy color. It goes well with my skin tone. Oh yeah, and another thing I got off of one of his live streams, the Jeffree Star lip oil in the flavor of coffee. It's a really good one. I do love it. But we are here for this. And from what I understand, this will last for a while. And you don't need much. I love the fact that you have that. Now, I've seen Jeffree Star putting it on. I've seen Eugenia Cooney. I've seen Rich Lux. And, you know, different shades. And Mountain Witch Christine. And I think Life with Christine. Christine, do you have this? Anyway, let me know. So here's the doe foot applicator. I do like that. Don't mind my hands. I haven't done nails yet this month. So I hear like a little dab will do. That is my natural cheekbone. Take your dampened beauty blender. That is pigmented. She is pigmented. Now remember, your beauty blender will shear things out. And if you don't think that that's doing a good enough job, it kind of went dry. I should have dampened it a little bit more. I think, ooh, that blended really good. It didn't leave a bunch of pigment on the brush, although I will probably go ahead and clean this brush anyway. I like that. See, that's not too dark. I am in my winter my winter tone right now. And I hear that most of his lippies and his cheek products can also be used on the eye. So, money shot, don't mind my glasses. I'm blind most of the time without them. So that is what I do understand. Now, I've seen Eugenia use it just like a little dab to the eyelid. Put it on the sewing machine. And then blended it. Honestly, a little dab will do you. Just put it right there. And grab yourself a blending brush. Let me grab a mirror for this. And be quick about this, because you just never know. This is my first time trying the Magic Candy blush. I am enjoying this. I think along with the Curse Cosmetics blush, I love that one too. That's also a Magic Cream blush. Wow. And that will blend out really good. You could probably go ahead and take like a dampen beauty blender to it and just blend it out a bit if you want. I'm honestly not too worried about that. And if you want to, go ahead and just take it up like that. And I'm going to say, honestly, this is beautiful. Like, I have the Curse Cosmetics. This is almost about the same color. You probably wouldn't think it is by the pan, right? And this one goes with your pH balance. And then we'll put the Jeffree Star like right here next to it. And then we'll share that one out. So, are these my two favorite blushes? Absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, like, it goes from that and you can just share it down with the beauty blender. Just, just like that. I put too much on my hand anyway. Got caught red-handed, didn't we? So, another thing I suppose you could do is if you want to put that on your eye like that, you can go into your palette, find yourself an angle brush. That's a flat brush. Need me an angle. We're on an angle here. That's a thin brush. We'll keep that one in mind. I had my angle brush here a moment ago. Here we go. Go in here. Take that. You can do probably a smoky eye with that. That's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. I also like to give people ideas of what you could do to use your makeup and not have to think it's just for one area of your face. If the cosmetics company has made it correctly, my favorites have. But yeah, my favorite companies definitely have. And there's that. And you could go in with any other color in this, but I just want to do this for now. And some people will use it on their lip, but I just want to use the lip oil. So you can do a beautiful look using this. I honestly like how that came out. You can put a shimmer on this as well. I do only have one thing that is a shimmer. This is Juvia's Place. And again, just shear that out. Take that up there. You got that little bit of shimmer with that color in there. That's beautiful. I like that. Oh my gosh, this works so well together. Remember, you can make it magically starred with Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Blend this with your other favorite cosmetics like Cursed or Gerard. I have the powder sitting over here. Or even with Juvia's Place. And these are my top favorite companies. And their blushes, the Cursed and the Jeffree Star, are similar in color when you put it on, but because I keep a makeup wipe handy for your brushes and wiping the makeup off your hand. Other than that, I have to say I love this. This is not a paid review. I don't get paid to review anything. If I did, you would be getting an honest review from that anyway, just like this one. So star up your beauty and go over there and catch his TikTok live streams while TikTok is still around, because I feel like that'll be another video of how TikTok affects people like Jeffree Star, Jen Gerard, Mariel from Cursed Cosmetics, and the lovely, lovely people of Juvia's Place. And much more out there in the community, including Danos from, Seasoning. So anyway, like I said, just make your beauty as much as you can with starting it up. And stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. And I will see you in the next one. Like I said, this video is going up on Friday the 13th. Yeah. Bye.